How to fix Telegram verification code not received. In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram verification code not received. If you normally don't receive or Telegram does not send you the verification code, then this may happen for several reasons. First, check your other devices if you have logged into your Telegram using them. This is because if Telegram sees there is a device running your account, they will send the message within Telegram and not as an SMS. So, make sure Telegram is not running on another phone. From there, tap on the Settings app of the phone. You will land on the settings of the app, as you can see from here. From there, scroll down. You will see a list of the apps on your device. From the list, look for Messaging app on your phone. After you see it, make sure to tap on it. This is the Settings page of the Messaging app where there are settings that you can use to manage the messages you receive. First, make sure you have enabled this toggle button here so that when messages are sent, you can receive them. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, go to this section named Message Filtering. Under the section, tap on this option here. As you can see, there is a toggle button to enable messages from unknown sources. This will ensure you receive messages from contacts that are not saved in your phone, and also they will be sorted into one area. After enabling this feature, then go and launch the message application on your device. After that, tap on this option at the top left corner of the screen named Filters. You will land on this other page where there is an option named Unknown Senders. Make sure you tap on this option here. After that, the messages will be filtered out and you will see all the messages that have been sent to you by unknown numbers. So check for the verification code among these messages here. If after all that the message is not there, then there may be an issue with Telegram, or maybe your internet connection is not good. So make sure you have also checked on that. Don't keep on requesting for new messages, as this will lead to Telegram restricting you. Give Telegram time and see if there will be change after some time. Finally, open the App Store and after that, search for Telegram. After that, check if the Telegram app needs to be updated and update it. This will install a newer version of the app, removing the glitches and bugs that may have been causing the error. I hope the tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Telegram verification code not received.